Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best gardening tools that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Falco pruning shears. Pruners are an essential tool, and everyone must have at least one pair, said Carmen DeVito, founder of garden and landscape design company Garden Cult. For those with smaller hands, she recommended the Falco No. 6 pruner. It's built with aluminum handles and steel blades, and it has a narrow pointed tip, which the brand says helps you cut closer to plant stems. The pruning shears have a 4.8-star average rating from over 18,500 reviews on Amazon. Moving on at number 4, we have BOKA Ergo Bypass Pruner. If you have larger hands, DeVito said the BOKA Ergo Bypass Pruner is a great option. It has carbon steel blades that are covered in xylene, a type of coating the brand says helps prevent rust and reduce friction. The upper handle also has a soft grip cover for comfort, the brand says. This pruner has a 4.6-star average rating from over 190 reviews on Amazon. At number 3, we have Joyce Chen kitchen scissors. These shears are helpful for harvesting herbs, deadheading and cutting flowers to bring into the house, DeVito said. The stainless steel blades are sharp enough to cut through chicken bones, and they're suitable for both right-handed and left-handed gardeners, according to the brand. The scissors have a 4.8-star average rating from over 1,700 reviews on Amazon. At number 2, we have Nikkohori soil knife. While soil knives are not an essential gardening tool, DeVito said they're nice to have. She uses a hori knife like this one from Nikkohori. It boasts a sharp, wide blade, which experts said is useful for transplanting young plants and weeding. You can also use it to divide perennial plants, open plastic bags and cut twine. This soil knife has a 4.9-star average rating from over 6,000 reviews on Amazon. And finally at number 1. Corona Extendable Handle Hoe. DeVito said every gardener should own a hoe and a 3-prong cultivator, and this gardening tool just so happens to be both. You can use a hoe as a weeding tool or to loosen soil, while a 3-prong cultivator can be used to clear away leaves or spread mulch or compost, experts told us. This tool has an extendable aluminum handle and a hanging ring for storage. It has a 4.4-star average rating from over 3,100 reviews on Amazon.